What's that?
He joined all of us too. So.
All right, so here's.
What's going on?
He removed the daughter and put him in the other seat beside him, and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else.
Get down on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother.
So your kids can stay with your mother?
No,
if that's what you want?
no.
What if you were legally right about your seat, but federal law still required you to leave the aircraft? When does an airline dispute become a federal felony? And who actually holds legal authority over you once you board a plane?
Hello. What's going on?
He's recording now, so you don't even have
He joined all of us too.
What's that?
He joined all of us too. So.
All right, so here's.
What's going on?
He knows the story. All right, it's the
Okay, so 20. Okay.
Yeah, go in.
Personally non-compliant. He's traveling with his kids and another family member, the grandmother. He placed the daughter in someone else's seat, and while we seated them with the grandmother, with the adult, part of the family. He removed the daughter and put them in the other seat beside him, and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else. The flight attendant
Not part of his family, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flight attendant asked, to put the daughter back with the grandmother, so the other person was sitting there assigned seat. He refused to do it. He was non-compliant, very combative. He asked him to get off the aircraft, get his stuff, and get off the aircraft. He was very rude, so they could come threatening. And he was just non-compliant, very combative, and not listening to any guard instructions. I tried to have him over card here, a notice of non-compliance. He refused to take it. He started recording me, which he has a right to. But I did let him know I don't consent to him recording. He's right here. So we're like him off the aircraft. The flight crew is not comfortable. They're not safe with him.
Okay, so who you want off the aircraft? Just him?
This gentleman right here.
And the kids can fly with the grandma?
If he's willing to let the kids go with the grandmother, but he's going to have to get on. So who doesn't want him on board, they're not safe. Don't just get him on board.
Okay.
We were willing to rebook him on the next flight. Very combative and non-compliant. Not listening at all.
Okay. All right. So this is what's going to happen, all right?
Yes.
The pilot doesn't want you on the plane. The crew doesn't want you on the plane.
For what reason?
They don't have to have a reason.
They need to have a reason.
No, not by law. No. Once the pilot says
To
you're off,
take me
you're off.
down on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother.
So your kids can stay with your mother if that's what you want?
No.
Okay. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you this is the way it works. Okay?
Yes.
Well, they can come off with you if that's what you want. That's fine. All right? They're your kids.
For what reason?
Because apparently you're not following rules and
I am
regulations.
following rules. Why?
All right?
I was on my seat.
Okay.
Come on, I'll show you.
I don't need to go anywhere.
I'll show you my seat.
So
I have
if
my
you refuse,
ticket.
listen,
I
if
have
you refuse to come off, you'll be arrested.
what?
Everybody on this plane will have to come off and you'll be arrested. As
For
simple
what?
as
Look.
that. All right?
Look, this is my seat, 25D.
Okay.
Can I come and show you where is
No.
my seat?
No.
This is my seat, so you are doing something wrong.
No. I have nothing to do with the plane.
My daughter was supposed
All
to change the seat, but the
I'm
person...
giving you, are you going to come off the plane or no? That's all I need to know.
I am on my seat. Look, this is the 25D, and I registered where I'm sitting.
Okay. Are you understanding what I'm telling you?
I'm sitting on 25D.
Okay. Come on up. You're going under arrest.
Don't worry about it. Put your hands back.
Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I am putting my hands behind my back.
I got it.
Drop the phone. Drop the phone.
You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your kids, or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
You don't know how to tack it off. Get down. Get down.
Bibi stalla. Bibi.
30, give me another unit.
Bibi stalla.
Get down. Turn around.
Bibi stalla. Bibi stalla. Bibi stalla. Ibibi Salah. Ibibi Salah. Ibibi Salah. Aiutami. Aiutami. Aiutami.
Sit down. You will get your ass saved.
Aiutami. 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 Sono bimbila. Bimbila. Aiuto, sapibila. Sono bimbila. Please. Please, sono bimbila. Please. Sono bimbila, please.
You can slow down. We got two in custody.
Please, sono bimbila. Mia moglie. Please. Sono bimbi, fanno male. Fanno male i bimbi. Sono bimbi là. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah.
Just wait till the rest of them get here.
Sono bimbi là. Sono bimbi là.
You guys want to open up? Y'all good? Yeah. All right. We'll wait till the rest of them get here. Just face the wall. You don't have nothing to talk about this. Don't come running at the police like that.
Let go.
No, you did.
Because he was coming.
You wouldn't listen.
He was coming
That's
to
why
me.
you're in custody.
He was coming to me. I promise you.
Well, the way of doing things.
Please do me a favor. Please do me a favor. Just let him go. Let him go, please. I'll do whatever you want.
I know you
I
would.
swear to God.
That's why
Whatever
you're
you want.
detained right now.
Okay.
This way right there.
I was never detained in my life. This is unfair.
You didn't want to listen,
I'm
so.
not saying that you are doing something unfair. Absolutely. I respect you. I respect your job.
Thank you for respecting me.
But please let him go.
Please. Please.
Just
Please. Sorry, bimbi. Sorry, bimbi.
Mas faz.
There's no debates here. We'll send somebody else come, then I'll walk out.
All right.
Well, actually,
I need somebody
you
to
want to wait
fill out
because
the
you
info.
got to get information. So wait. Just hold them out there till somebody else comes.
My mom is disabled. She gonna
Okay. We got new game. If I didn't want to work, you want to reside.
I just need your info.
Yeah.
And the flight and all that.
Action and reaction. That's what that's called.
No, they're gonna pay for
And you
it.
said that
They're gonna have
the dad was trying to grab me, or
Whichever one of you backwards turned, you was trying
yeah, I was
to grab
grabbing
you,
his
and
phone
that's-
off the floor.
That's,
Okay.
that's why I grabbed you. We have the camera.
Yeah, you have on my phone too. Don't worry, you have the video. You have everything.
I think it was him, his back was turned, and then the pops was trying to grab on. What is
He was trying to grab me. That's what he was trying to do.
The officer's back is
He was
turned.
trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do. He doesn't even speak English.
I got their info. That's all. Just I'm gonna need somebody else because I got two. We took him, and I guess dad came running after. They said when I was trying to pick up his phone,
Running
I guess
after him. Yes, after me he was.
then they went after Samaj.
After me he was running.
You don't need anything else on anyone on the
And I got the two
Who's
friends and
Albert?
witness.
I am Albert.
That's me. So I need the one for the back. I can press for you up here.
Can you please let my dad go?
That's not mine.
It's beyond that. It's too late now.
Please.
You didn't want to listen. You could have just came off by yourself and let your whole family fly.
The kids go.
That's how I tried to have you do, right?
It's been a week. They
But you didn't want to listen.
It's been a week. They didn't see their mom. Please, officer.
It's not up to us.
Go outside. Go up front.
You can go whenever you want. Here you go. Let my dad go. Yours. Who's somebody?
Boy.
I need units with a cage. I don't have a cage. What's your date of birth, Dad?
He doesn't speak English.
Okay. When was your dad born?
4/23, 1956. He was just coming.
And where was he born?
Sheriff, he was just coming to me, man. Come on.
Where was your dad
Do
born?
whatever you want. Just don't register it, please.
Where was your dad born?
In Albania. Really, fuck, stream Rama. Go.
He a U.S. citizen or Albanian citizen?
Who?
Your dad.
My dad is Albanian. He has a green card. He didn't do nothing. He didn't do nothing. He was coming to me. The kids were crying. That's why he came.
And what's the phone number for you?
Please, he didn't do anything.
And where were you born?
I was born in Albania.
And are you Albanian citizen still or U.S.?
I'm alright.
You're American now?
Yes, sir. It's been 10 years. I never had trouble with anybody. The guy on the plane, he was very rude.
Right, but I explained to you multiple times
Absolutely.
that they don't want you on the plane.
Sorry, I didn't
The pilot has the authority of the plane. Whatever they tell you, you got to do it.
I thought you were just trying. I swear to
Why
God.
would I do that?
I swear to my life.
I just wanted you to get off the plane and your children to go with the family.
I thought you were just saying. If
All
I
right.
knew, I would have complied. Absolutely.
I told you that that's the way it's going to work if you refuse, okay?
Absolutely.
So unfortunately,
100%, I will
and that's where
comply.
we're at now. Unfortunately, your family's getting kicked off the plane too.
My mom, can you please?
We don't have control over that.
My
Once the
dad.
airline makes that decision,
No,
that's
for
it.
my dad, please.
No, it's already past that.
Under 49 U.S.C. 44,902. Airlines may refuse transport to any passenger deemed inimical to safety. No court order, no explanation required. Under 14 C.F.R. 91.3, the pilot in command holds final authority over all aircraft operations, including the removal of any passenger. These two provisions together create a zone of legal authority that supersedes individual passenger rights at the point of boarding. Refusing a lawful deplane order triggers 49 U.S.C. 46,504, a federal felony carrying up to 20 years imprisonment. That charge was not brought in this case. That prosecutorial discretion decision is itself legally significant. First Amendment protects the right to record law enforcement. Glick v. Cuniff refers First Circuit, 2011. A private objection carries no legal weight. Fields v. City of Philadelphia. Third Circuit, 2017, affirms that recording police is constitutionally protected expressive conduct under Florida statute 810.e8. Remaining aboard after a lawful warning constitutes criminal trespass. The merits of the dispute are irrelevant to this charge. Florida statute 843.2 criminalizes obstructing an officer without violence. Interference with a lawful arrest falls under this provision regardless of intent. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1,989. Use of force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not in hindsight. For lawful permanent residence, conviction under 843 may constitute a deportable offense under 8 U.S.C. 1000. A knife, 227. Disproportionate to the underlying conduct. Lesson 1 says, aviation law is a distinct legal jurisdiction. Passenger rights yield to captain authority in ways Fourth Amendment doctrine does not anticipate. Lesson 2, compliance preserves all legal remedies. Refusal converts a civil grievance into a criminal matter and forfeits those remedies entirely. Lesson 3, recording rights alone are insufficient. Understanding when aviation authority overrides those rights is equally critical knowledge. Lesson 4, language barriers compound legal exposure. A defendant who cannot understand commands faces simultaneous charges they cannot meaningfully contest. The airline's removal decision comply with its own conditions of carriage? If not, does the passenger hold a viable breach of contract or civil rights claim? The Section 1,983 civil rights actions succeed against the officers. What evidentiary threshold would such a claim require to survive summary judgment? The language barrier factor into the judicial outcome for the father. Did the court weigh the immigration consequences against the severity of the charge? The central question remains. At what point does airline removal authority become a constitutional violation rather than a lawful exercise of federal power? That line has not been clearly drawn. Until it is, every passenger who boards a plane operates inside a legal gray zone.